People tell me all the time you're gonna die on that bike. And my response is, to you, riding this bike may seem so dangerous or I may die, but this bike keeps me alive, which is something that you'll never understand. So I'd ask you what keeps you alive, but chances are it's not a bike, because you don't see the ability in this bike's way of saving someone, you only see the dangers. Riding is our way of freeing our thoughts. It helps us deal when life gets us down. So we accept the dangers. Because, well, when I'm on my bike, I have no worries. My bike is the best therapy that money can buy.